Good morning. Lincoln Mitchell. The disclaimers on the board, people. Please pause the video, read the disclaimer. Um, you want to be a trader. So you decide to start to trade the financial markets, futures, and stocks. Where do you start first? First of all, do everything on your own first. And the reason why I'm saying that, people, is when you first go on here, you need to Google everything you can. You want to Google. You want to go to YouTube. You want to eat YouTube up, man. You want to study, get all the videos you can. Um, you want to know the difference between, because if you Google stuff, you're gonna learn things that won't be told to you first. And you want to Google, how to trade, how to trade and stuff like that. You want to put it on YouTube. You want to get all this stuff, how to trade, and start looking at videos. Look at as many videos as you possibly can before you start to come into this industry. If you come into this industry 100% green, you're going to get victimized. Trust me, it's going to happen. There's a lot of scams in this business that you will be very aware of. So you want to research as much as you can. The problem is a lot of y'all don't want to do the work, which comes up to our next topic. People, you're going to have to put a lot of work and dedication and time into this. If you're not ready to put in the work, the dedication and the time, don't waste your breath, people. I'm gonna tell you right now, save your energy, save everything you need, because this is going to take a lot of work. More work. My wife graduated top of her class from two major universities, VCU and Georgia State. Well, the reason why I'm saying that is even she can't do this that well. And she's a very dedicated person. I'm a very dedicated person. This is even a challenge for me. So I'm saying you're going to have to put in a lot of work and a lot of dedication, people. It is. And a lot of time. If you're the type of person that likes hanging out in clubs and like hanging out with 30 people and all that, you're wasting your time. This is not for you. This is for people who's going to buckle down and really stay focused on making this task work. The next thing you're going to come to is you do not need a lot of money, people, to trade stocks or futures or whatever you're going to do. You don't need a lot of money. A lot of people got this big concept of $25,000 in their head. That is only if you're running an options margin account, people. If you open a cash account with your brokers, that will get you past the PTD, pattern day trading rule. It will. Remember that. Now, futures, on the other hand, is another ball game. You have to have that initial deposit unless you're going to do day trading. Then you only need, some companies want 25%. But if you're going to swing trade, then you definitely need that initial deposit. Forex depends on the broker. It depends on what broker you're looking for. You know, that's how it is. So you don't need a lot of money. People, you need to learn what you're doing first. Learn what you're doing. Please, people, learn what you are doing first. That's why I'm telling you to research as much as possible. Once you feel that you have researched much as possible, then get on social media. And you're not going to live on social media much, people. Listen, let me tell you, do not be on this a lot. Social media is very time consuming. You're going to get a lot of scams constantly, back and forth. People scamming each other. So you're going to have to really buckle down. And like I said, at the first one, put in the work. Then go to social media if you have a question. If there's a particular question that you cannot answer and you're looking for the answer and you really Googled it and you did all your work first and you still can't find that answer, then come on social media and ask people questions. Ask them, hey, why is this? Read some of the comments on the YouTube videos. If you read some of the comments at the bottom, but if you read some of the comments on the videos, people, it will take, it'll help you out. Okay. Start reading these comments, people, down there. Read the comments. A lot of times somebody has asked that question before. So you want to read the comments. Now, you got all of that out the way. I want to trade. Listen to me, people. I'm going to help you out. Listen, this is very important. I don't care what you want to trade. You must learn to trade these 5 things I'm about to tell you. Listen to me. Well, I'm helping you out. Now, somebody's going to say, Lincoln, I want to trade this. Listen to what I'm going to tell you. This will help your journey out by far. You must learn to trade SPY. You must learn to trade BAC, Bank of America. You must learn to trade QQQ. You must learn to trade Euro, USD, and USD Yen. Why did I give you those 5? Start with those 5 first. Whether you're going to trade penny stocks, Forex, options, I don't care what you want to trade. Start with those 5 first. Reason why, those 5 instruments and pairs I gave you, they will show you all the setups you need to understand this market. They will cover the board on volume. They will cover the board on volatility. They will cover the boards on piercing candles, dojis, haramis, gap ups, gap downs. They will cover all those boards, people. Every board, everything that you need to learn how to trade, they will give you and show you those. Now, once you have learned to trade in using those, whether you are successful or not, then go on to trade whatever you want to trade. Because now you understand how the market moves. You understand things. Those things would definitely help you out by far, people. Which brings me to the next topic. People, do not fall in love with a stock, pair, or instrument. Fall in love with the profits. Remember that. Fall in love with which one really gives you the profits. When I first came into this game, I loved BAC. But I found out that SPY, I was making way more profits on SPY than I was on anything. And to this very day, that's why I went back to futures, because SPY still showed me the most rewards on my the most profitable situations I ever had, and that was trading options. So always remember that, people. Do not fall in love with a pair. And that brings us to the next topic. People, trading is different from everybody around the board. Listen to me. Just because somebody is successful with their technique does not mean you're going to be successful. There is no wrong or right way to trade. It's all about what makes your personality feels better. What makes you feel good trading? Do you like to scalp? Do you like the day trade, swing trade? Are you one of the people that loves position trading? It depends on you. That's going to fall on you, people. You must, and once again, you must do the research first. That's why I'm telling you to do the work first before you do anything. You might be the type of person that just like to set things and walk off. And if you like doing that, then do it. Another big thing you must learn. Whatever you do, learn to read price. Learn to read price first. Learn to read price first. Understand how the market moves. What makes this a better price than this? What makes this a better price to go up than this? You must learn those things first, people. Do not learn anything else yet until you learn how the price moves. That's the reason why I gave you those 5 instruments first. Instruments, 2 instruments and 3 pairs. That's why I gave you, no, I think I gave you, yeah, two pairs and 3 instruments. That's why I gave you those. Because those things will show you the setups that you need. Understand? Now, if you notice, I haven't mentioned indicators yet. People, Now, once you get to this level, then add your indicators. People that come into this game have a tendency of adding indicators way too soon. They jump in and they add indicators and they don't know why they're adding an indicator, because somebody told them it would, if this RSI goes above 85, you should sell it. If it's under 20, you should buy it. That's not always true. If those always work like that, why do you think so many people lose money in this, people? That's why I'm telling you what I'm telling you. Everything I'm telling you by experience. I'm not telling you because I'm being a jerk. I'm telling you so you won't fall through the same potholes as I did when I came into this game. When I came to this game, people, oh man, all you got to do is take the Bollinger Band, and if it spiked past that Bollinger Band and you see the RSI, that's going to drop. And you believe that mess. No, don't do that, people. That's why I'm telling you to do your work first. Brings me to my next topic, questions. If you decide to ask some of these people questions on any of the social media, if you want a real trader to answer those questions, don't ask a simple question that you could have Googled. It's ridiculous how many times you go on here and you hear people say, how much is a pip? Where do I get started? You know what I'm saying? Can someone please mention someone who do good in forex investments? That's the reason why you're going to get victimized, people. You're going to get victimized. Always remember that. That's why you need to do the work first. Do you understand me? Do your work first. Then go and start asking those questions. All right. Then once you start getting good at this, then you start breaking down the platforms, which platform was better for you, which one don't. But that's going to be on another topic. So please, people, rewind this video. Listen to it to the T. I gave you a lot of great information so you won't fall through that pothole. Remember, there's a 90-90-90 rule in this business for a reason. 90% of the traders will lose 90% of their money within 90 days. That's a very true statement. 90% of the traders will lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. I think I said it wrong the first time. So it's 90% of the traders will lose 90% of their capital within 90 days. That's true, people. So make sure you take this video to heart. I did a lot of work to get to where I'm at now, and I'm trying to show you how not to be victimized. I was never victimized, but I ran through a lot of potholes to get to where I'm at. So everything I'm telling you by experience. I'm not telling you something I don't know. I'm only telling you things I know that I know and I have been through. I wish y'all good luck on this journey. Lincoln Mitchell.